Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, let's take a look at our insert schedule. So according to this, today on the 24th, we should be receiving a Smart Source and a Save insert. Now, yesterday, I did upload a video going over the new Dollar General ad, plus the Save insert that will be in today's Sunday newspapers. Now, I did double check a couple of websites because I thought we were going to be receiving 2 Smart Source inserts, and some of them do say that. So I guess it just depends on what area you are in. But guys, always check your newspapers before you purchase them, because you don't want to purchase the newspaper just for the heck of it. You want to get those coupons as well. So always check your newspapers before you buy them to make sure that your inserts are in there. And also in yesterday's video, I asked you guys what you all were paying for Sunday newspapers. And a lot of you all reminded me that Dollar Tree has these Sunday newspapers on Monday for $1.25. So guys, keep that in mind. And some Dollar Trees actually even carry them on Sunday. You can get them on Sunday. But I know in my area, they have them on Monday for $1.25. So just a quick tip there. Another way that y'all can save and hopefully get some really good coupons this week. And guys, don't forget to go over to Inbox Dollars today and print off your free printable coupons. Now, I always use Inbox Dollars because they actually pay you to print off the coupons, and then they pay you 20 cents every time you redeem a coupon in the store. So head on over there and print off your free printable coupons today. And if you are not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, I highly recommend it. And if you want to go and sign up and check it out, I do have a referral link, which is down in the description box below. I'll also leave it down in the pinned comment for you guys as well. And if you use it, you're going to get a free $5 sign up bonus. Alright guys, so before we get into the new Dollar General digital coupons this week, I wanted to give everybody a quick reminder about the DG rewards. So all of these will be ending here in about 3 days on the 27th. So if you all are close to completing one of those, or if you would like to complete one of those before they expire, make sure that you go ahead and do that before the 27th. And one deal that kind of popped in my head yesterday while we were taking a look at the new Dollar General ad. We do have the Clover Valley 24 packs of water. They are on sale this week too for $8. And if you want to pair that up with that DG reward, spend $15 and get back a $3.50 coupon. I think that would turn out to be a really good deal if you wanted to stock up on some bottled water this week. So just keep that in mind. And if you guys have any coupons from these rewards, such as I completed the Clover Valley water one on another account, those coupons will also be expiring. So make sure that you check your accounts to see if you've completed any of those. And yeah, just a quick note on that. Alright guys, so jumping right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. As always, I recommend that y'all sign in on the website on Sundays to clip your new digital coupons to your account, because when you use the app, you kind of have to keep refreshing in order for all of the new coupons to show up, and it is possible that you could miss some. Versus when you use the app, they all show up all at once, so you can clip them and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and jump right in, shall we? First up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the All and Snuggle products. These are on sale this week. These are normally $5 each, but they're on sale for $4.50. So after that 1-off-1 coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now, right beside it, we have a 125-off-1 for the Snuggle products. So again, these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25 with this higher value coupon. So that's the one I'm going to clip just because I don't plan on picking up any of the All products. If I pick up anything, it will be Snuggle. Now this 125-off-1 digital coupon is also working on the 40-count dryer sheets. Those are priced at $2.35. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $1.10. So really good little deal there. And you know what? I'll go ahead and clip that one as well, because we can always pick up the sheets. And then if I decide to pick up another Snuggle product, I can use that 1-off-1. All right, moving on down, we have $1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. These are priced at $2.50 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2, and I think that's on a 56 count of wipes. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate Toothpaste. So this is working on the Max Fresh Toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Next up, we have $5.50 off 2 for the Airwick Scented Oil 2-pack refills. So this is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. They're $5.50 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. This is only 75 load bottles. So these are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. Keep in mind, last week we did receive a higher value $2.50 off 1 digital coupon. So if you didn't already use that one, just weigh out your options there. If you've already used that $2.50 off 1, go ahead and definitely clip this 2 off 1. But if you still have the higher value coupon, you may not want to. You may not want to clip this 2 off 1 coupon. All right, guys, it's early. Just bear with me. All right, next up, we have 4 off 1 for the Chic women's razors. So if you want to pick up the Chic Intuition razors, those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We also have a 4 off 1 for the Chic disposable or Skintimate disposable razor packs. So the women's razor packs, those are priced at $5.50 this week. They are normally $6, but they're on sale this week for $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. So that's a really good deal. Now, keep in mind, we do have Chic and Skintimate razors in the clearance section if you still have those available at your store. A lot of these Chic coupons will work on those products as well. All right, moving on down, we have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis shampoos, conditioners, and styling products. These start out at $3 each. So it's basically a buy one, get one free coupon. Again, make sure that you are scanning all of your products before you go up to the register because prices are changing daily. And I think it's just kind of going by area because I've noticed some of my stores, the prices have went up. Some of the stores around me, the prices have stayed the same for now. But I guarantee you they will go up eventually. So just make sure that you all are scanning. Okay, that's the number 1 rule. All right, next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends products. These did go up in price, so these are now $3.75 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Finish products. So these are priced at $7.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.25. Now, there are a couple of packs on sale for $4.05. I'm sorry, not on sale, on clearance for $4.05. So if you can find, I think it's a 24 and a 25 pack. Those are priced at $4.05. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $3.05, and that's on the dishwasher tablets. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Airwick Freshmatic refills. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have 2 off 1 for the pull-ups and the Good Night nighttime underwears. So those are priced at $11.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. We have a 1 off 2 for the Raid. We have a $1.50 off 1 for the Kingsford charcoal. Those, we have the original 8-pound bags. Those are priced at $8.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. We also received a new $2.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Huggies Diapers. Those start out at $9.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.45. We have $1.25 off 1 for the Act mouthwash. So we do have a lower value coupon. So y'all keep that in mind. If you plan on picking up this product, we have a 1 off 1. So that may come off first at the register. So these are now priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Jergens lotions. Now, I want y'all to be careful about which ones you're picking up. And Google, if you plan on picking up the Jergens lotion, Google it because there was recently a recall on the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. Now, I'm sure that they've already pulled all of those products that were recalled off of the shelf by now. But just to be on the safe side, I wanted to give y'all a heads up on that. So these are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Next up, we have 3 off 1 for the Covergirl eye products. If you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliners, those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. So great deal, little deal there. We have Benadryl, 1-off-1. We have 1-off-1 for the St. Joseph's aspirin. Those are priced at $2. It's a 36 count at $2. After the coupon, you'll pay just $1. So another good little deal there. We have Zyrtec. We have 4-off-1 for the Schick men's razors. So those are priced at $9. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have 2-off-1 for the Jergens Natural Glow products. Those are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have 3-off-1 for the Dulcolax products. Those, we have the 15 count soft chews. Those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. So half off there. We have the children's Zyrtec 4-off-1. These are priced at $11.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.25. And allergy season is here, guys. All right, we have Selsun Blue. We have 4-off-1 for the Covergirl face products. So the powders, these start out at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. So again, another little good deal there. We have 2-off-1 for the Clairol hair color. We do have a higher value coupon that you're going to see here in just a second. We have a 5-off-2 as well. These are priced at $7.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. All right, moving on down, we have a 2-off-1 for the Icy Hot. We have 125-off-1 for Cortisone 10. We have 4-off-1 for the Flonase. There's that 5-off-2 for the Clairol. We have Zantac. We have Visine, 150 off 1. So y'all keep an eye out for some rebates on the Visine products. Typically, when we have coupons for Visine, we usually get rebates on Ibotta as well. So be on the lookout for that. I haven't checked Ibotta this morning yet, but just a thought that just popped into my head. All right, so these are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a 1-off-1 for the all liquid laundry detergent, 141 ounces. So pretty big bottle there. These are priced at $11.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.95. Next up, $6.99 off 2 STEM products. I still have not seen these at my Dollar Generals, but I'm assuming that these are basically a buy one, get one free coupon. So if anybody finds those, please let me know down in the comment section, all right? Next up, we have 1-off-1 for the DG Home Allergy products. So these are $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We also have 50 cents off one for the DG Health Ibuprofen. These are priced at $2.60. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.10. We did receive a new Gain coupon for save $5 when you spend $30 or more. I was really hoping for a 5-off-20, but you know, we're all going to cross our fingers and hopefully next time around they'll give us a 5-off-20. Now keep in mind this coupon does not expire until May the 21st. So we are stuck with this coupon for a whole nother month. So you guys keep that in mind. I'm sure we will be getting new Gain insert coupons. I'm sure we'll be getting new Gain and Febreze coupons when the new P&G comes out. So we'll have new digital coupons to work with this 5-off-30 Gain as well. So guys, keep that in mind. Next up, we have 1-off-1 for the Rexall Melatonin vitamins. So if you want to pick up the 60 count, those are priced at $2.90 now. So another price jump there, $2.90. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. We have 1-off-1 for the True Living 12 Mega Rolls on the bath tissue and also, well, it looks like the paper towels too. So these are priced at $9.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.25. And then down here at the bottom, we have a 1-off-1 for the Gain laundry products. So these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And then, of course, go ahead and clip your 5-off-25. Now, on Friday or Thursday evening, we did receive a new 3-off-3 DG store coupon for the Dove products. Now, as hopefully all of you all remember last week, we had a 3-off-3 Dove coupon that was working on the single count bar soaps. Well, what I think happened was Dollar General realized what was going on. I don't think that older coupon is working on anything right now. Y'all let me know down in the comments below, though, if you guys were able to get that to work with anything. I know we had the Dove bar soap. We had the little Dove lotions in the dollar aisle. And then we also had the travel size deodorants for the old 3-off-3 coupon that we received last Sunday. But I think Dollar General kind of figured out what was going on, and then on Friday, they kind of made that coupon stop working, and then they gave us this new 3 off 3 Dove coupon. Now, this one is not working on the Dove bar soap, unfortunately, but it is working on the travel size deodorants. So there is one glitch that we have this week. It actually popped up last Friday, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of it. So if you want to pick up 3 of the Dove travel size deodorants, those are $1.55 each. So pick up 3, use the coupon. You're going to pay $1.65 for all 3. Now, I realize that this is a little bit out of order, but I was literally done with the video, done editing, had the voiceover done, ready to upload, and Miss Debra Williams-Buss came through for us, and she found us another glitch for this week. So big shout out and thank you to Debra Williams-Buss. If you guys are not already subscribed to her YouTube channel, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below, because I will have her channel linked right there for you. So once you're done here, click on that link, head on over there, and hit that subscribe button, okay? So we have the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste. This digital coupon is working on the Colgate Kids Cavity Protection Toothpaste for $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon. That is going to make it completely free, plus give us $1 in overage this week. So that is awesome. Again, thank you so much, Debra. You know I love you, girl. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video. Also, please hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.